I just glanced through the instructions because who needs instructions, anyways, right? And then I was wondering what to do, so I just started putting in the miniature shelves inside the fridge, which was difficult because it was very tiny and my hands are very clumsy. But I was successful in it at last, and I put the vegetable basket inside also, which was very cute. And then it was time for the doors. But I had no clue how to fix the doors because guess what? I did not read the instructions. So I had to go back to the instructions and I again just glanced and did this. But I had to remove it because I was dead wrong. And then I actually read the instructions finally, and I was instructed by the instructions on how to fix the doors. And because I'm a genius, I finally fixed the doors. I think as a genius, I could have done it without the help of instructions. Successfully attached the doors to the fridge's body, and I love how functional and smooth they are. It's time to fix the door shelves. I don't know if there is any other name for it, but it's really cute and I can't wait to get mini bottles to put in it. The shelves and the vegetable basket go back in again, and there's a very tiny regulator which is not very visible but it really adds to the details. Here comes the fridge handles. As they were so small, they just kept slipping out of my hand, but I finally was able to fix them in the right holes, which is very important to do. And it's so functional and so cute and so tiny that I sometimes have to use forceps to open it because I don't really want to break my beautiful fridge. It really looks so much better than my real fridge.